Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Affirm to Stripe. Let's get started. First, go to stripe.com and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Then, click on payment methods. On the payment methods page, scroll down to find the Buy Now Pay Later section. Here, you'll see Affirm listed along with other options like Afterpay and Klarna. Then, click on Affirm. Then, once Affirm is enabled, click on Review Changes. Then hit Apply or Save Changes to confirm. Make sure your business is eligible and meets Stripe's requirements for Affirm. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.